Today I decided to review the top 5 best quality glass teapot on the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I trying to list them based on that price, quality, durability and more. So let's get started with the video. At number 1, Cosori. Made with the finest quality borosilicate glass. The removable infuser is food-grade stainless steel, non-dripping spout. Spout is designed for effortless pouring and precise control without spilling a single drop. Stovetop safe. This teapot can be placed directly in gas or electric stove tops. Easy to clean. Dishwasher top rack safe. All the metal parts are easily removed and the whole thing is easy to clean. Comes with elegant gift boxes, which is a perfect gift for tea lovers, such as Mother's Day, Father's Day, Thanksgiving, Christmas. Number 2. MinoAnt. The teapots has large capacity. It is enough for everyday use or party serving. This glass tea kettle is heat resistant, which can withstand temperature from 20 to 300 degrees Celsius, microwave and stovetop safe. Anti-spill and rust proof. The stainless steel lid locks into place for ensure water doesn't leak out of your tea maker. The removable stainless steel mesh infuser is rust-free. Number 3. Primula. Crafted from temperature-safe borosilicate glass. Easily view your tea as it steeps, with the crystal clear viewing window, allowing to see your desired strength. Superior filtration. The fine stainless steel mesh tea infuser ensures a clean, pure cup of tea. Enjoy green tea, herb tea, detox or medicinal tea. Durable protective holder and comfortable grip handle. Serve tea in style with the 4 included glass tea mugs, which are wrapped in a heat-safe plastic and stay cool handle. Number 4. Obor. Removable stainless steel strainer, filtering the pieces like flavorful fruit, herbs, tea or tea bags, and you can enjoy the tasty tea drinks you want. Spill-free design. Handcrafted streamlined kettle outlet mouth for smooth water flowing, and effectively prevent water splashing. Great for tea lovers, making all kinds of tea and drinks at home or office. Great home gift and office gift for yourself or your friends. Number 5. Mulgari. Ultra clear glass teapot with stainless steel infuser. Includes micro mesh stainless steel filter for loose teas or blooming teas, perfect for tea lovers. Easy to use. This teapot with infuser is a full set of combinations, easily detachable for making tea and boiling water. Applicable for dishwasher, microwave oven, electric burner, gas stove, electric ceramic cooker and burning stove. Customer satisfaction guarantee. So if you're looking for quality and price, then this would be the perfect option for you. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you want to find out the price and more information about these glass teapot, you can check out the links in the description and the comment section below, and if you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future.